Cordless Alliance System CAS is a cross-manufacturer battery pack system of leading power tool brands. One battery, many solutions. Promotech has become a part of the CAS, and from now on our mini spider welding tractor uses the world's most versatile battery pack system and most modern in the industry. Key features and benefits of Mini Spider. High-tech 18-volt DC battery power supply. Compact and lightweight design to weld in narrow spaces. Torch placement on either side. Welding edge-to-edge. Digital LED display for presetting of travel speed. Closed-loop speed control system enables consistent heat input. Precise travel speed and torch angle reduces weld defects and costly rework. Reduces filler metal waste.